Yes, I am trying an Apple Vision Pro. And yes, it is embarrassing. Thank you very much for embarrassing me. All right, here we go. Yep. So what am I supposed to be seeing? I can see you guys at the moment.
Yeah, so if you keep looking to the right, that's our instrument.
Oh, there we go. I can see an instrument panel. Can I touch it?
You can touch it. So
hang on.
Do you want to use one of our engineers as a cameraman?
Yep, please. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Right, so if I look to the right like that, no, it's gone. Where's my instrument panel?
I'm going to get you to run through the whole setup first, so it actually works for you.
All right.
Okay, so
I saw something there.
For 1 second. Yeah, okay, and I'll click a few things again.
Oh yeah, there we go. Confirm your optical inserts.
And redo iHand setup. Come on, let me turn.
No optical inserts, bloody Apple software, okay.
Okay, so now first
look at your hands to set up. Okay, front or back? Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it is just calibrates for your arms.
Right. Okay. Just in line. Move Apple Vision Pro up.
So you might want to move the whole unit up a little bit more.
Oh, right. Oh, there. Right.
Yeah.
There you go. Yep.
Great.
Okay.
In a bit, you will see a single dot.
Look at the dot and tap your fingers to select
it. Little pinch. That's it. I think. Yeah,
Triple click button. No, I don't want accessibility options.
Just look at it again. Maybe.
No.
Look at the dot again. Tap your fingers again. Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Nice. So this will now turn to a whole ring of dots.
Yeah. Yep. I got a ring of dots.
All of them. Do one at a time. Yeah. Yeah, I think you missed the bottom right.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Yeah, sweet. We're going to do this 2 more times.
2 more times?
You know, good things take time. So it actually tracks your eye movement and you don't have to touch the physical dots. Yeah, nice.
Yep.
And one last time. Oh, bottom right one again. Yeah. Great. One more time. It should be very, very bright.
One more time in brighter lighting. Oh, God. Yeah, that is way brighter. Oh, God. Come on. Seriously? My fingers don't precisely line up with the dots, though.
You don't have to.
Right.
Basically, it tracks your eye movement.
Okay.
So you can actually just look at it. You can tap your hand anywhere. Okay. Sweet.
Excellent.
Setup's complete. Camera to the right.
Yep.
Yeah. So now, if you click the same button you held down earlier,
well, I don't see anything anymore.
Yeah. So the headset on.
Oh right. Oh yeah. Right.
Click that
once. Oh. Yep. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I've got all this Apple rubbish. Yep. Okay.
So the first app, the top left corner, that's our app. If you look at it and then tap your finger again.
Got it. Okay. Actually, I just want to. Yeah, Apple. My first time using the Apple Vision Pro. I got to say, it's pretty impressive. It's pretty impressive how it just hangs there, like in the middle of, and I can see everything else. Everything else is a bit blurry, and kind of like fuzzy, like as in the real world is fuzzy. But anyway, I'm going to select the Moko app. There you go, select your device.
Yeah,
Moko,
so
which one are you going to select?
Right, there's the demo, so going to
demo.
Bottom right.
Yep.
Yep.
There you go.
And let's go into oscilloscope.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you look at oscilloscope and tap your finger again.
Right. So did you guys have to do anything specific to make it work with the Apple Vision Pro?
We started off with iPad app. So
to
port from iPad app to the Apple Vision Pro took just a few hours.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Super quick.
right. So it's easy. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm now operating my oscilloscope.
Yes.
So I can select channel input 1. I can select outputs.
Yep.
Yeah. Sorry, but you guys are not seeing this, but it looks really. You can't film through these, right?
You can.
Oh, you can.
Yes.
Okay.
But we can also see what you're looking at.
Right. Oh, you can see what I'm looking at. Okay. So I can go up there and select. No. Can I drag the waveform? Yes, I can drag the waveform. Look at that. Can I drag it up? Yes, I can pinch and drag. Look at that. Great. All right. Maybe if you put it next to my head, so if you shoot my head and the thing, look at that. Can drag the waveform. Tongue at the right angle. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful.
If you use
beautiful.
both hands,
and then I can select the input. Oh,
so
over
you're
here.
selecting the source at the moment. If you just look at the any black area and tap your finger again. That will close this window. Yep.
All right. Oh no, I've got an entry box up. Oh, okay. The button's highlighted. That's pretty handy.
Yeah, exactly.
So I can go back. Oh, right. Okay.
Then you can try a different instrument.
I'm back. Oh, I can go to a different instrument.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if you want a spectrum analyzer.
Yeah, spectrum analyzer. Yep. Go. Hello. Oh, hello. Can I drag? Yeah, I can drag him. Yep.
Yeah. Do double tap.
Oh, there we go. Oh, beautiful.
That's our auto scale.
Yeah, Bobby Dazzler. And by the way, this is like just hanging in front of me. So if I move my head like this, the display is just staying in the one spot. It's just hovering in the thing. So I got to admit, this is pretty good. But didn't the Apple Vision Pro fail? Like people just like thought it was a gimmick and like it kind of, didn't it die? Or is that just me, guys?
Yeah, I think they're stopping production.
Oh, are they? They're stopping production. Okay, yeah. I got to admit, it's pretty cool. I'm very impressed, but I don't know why you'd want to, you know, you've got to have a specific niche use case for it. So, can I? No?
So if you want to use both, if you want to zoom, use both hands. So
Oh,
you can
okay.
Pinch and zoom.
Woo!
Okay, so grab onto them first.
Oh, look at that. Pinch and zoomy. Wow. Wow. I'm pinching and zooming. That's pretty good.
Yeah, if you
All right.
let go, then it will set to a certain spot.
And whoa, I didn't stick there. It didn't stick.
So we just adjusted the RBW on the
Oh,
second.
right.
So
Okay.
now, because you have smaller range, smaller span, we use smaller RBW. Yeah,
Cool.
it's automatic.
That's pretty cool, guys. I'm impressed. And the good thing is that you didn't have to do anything really. You just port it from your existing app or whatever, straight over.
Yeah.
I don't know why you'd want to. Maybe there's some niche use case for using this with an oscilloscope, but I don't
A lot
know.
of our customers are in optics area, so a lot of them work in laser labs, so they have to wear
Right.
goggles anyway.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
this
Right.
just helps that they can control from their hands.
Yep. So can you see my eyes?
I can't see your
No.
eyes.
Right. So I look like an absolute dork. Okay. Looks like I'm being antisocial. So, yep. Okay. But that's pretty cool. There you go.
So if you want to move your
That's
screen,
great, yeah.
which makes it really fun.
Right.
If you
Oh
look at
yeah.
the
How
very-
do I move my screen?
So if you look at the base under a
Yep.
window, you'll be able to grab onto a
Oh yeah.
horizontal line.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. So I'm moving my.
You can push it further
Yep.
away.
Yeah.
or
Oh,
closer to
okay.
you.
Oh, wow. That is huge in the distance, but now it's getting a bit fuzzy.
You can
Oh,
grab
it's
it
a
again,
little
pull it
bit.
closer to you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so I can put it right in front of me. That is super sharp. Oh wow. Okay. It feels like it's right here. It
Yeah.
feels like it's like this. Like
So
it
now that
seems
it's
like
right in
it's this
front of
far
you,
away. Yeah.
You can actually poke it.
Oh, I can actually poke it.
So
Okay.
It works as a touch screen now.
Oh, okay. Oh, it works as a touch screen. Cool. Okay. Yep. That's pretty cool. Okay. I'm very impressed by the Apple Vision Pro. Your software is great too, but
thank
you know,
you.
I mean, that's
It's a good
yeah. This is
ecosystem.
my first time using. Yes, it's very flexible, and yeah, I can use this as a touch screen, and then I can just drag that anywhere, and now it looks like it's like 5 meters away from me now, and then I drag it back in, and that's as close as it gets. So that's
Yeah.
that's as
Well,
close as I can. Whoa! Now it's
Whoa.
vanished. It's gone. Anyway, that's very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Great.
There you
Thank you so
go.
much.
That's great. And they're probably going to send me one of the little baby jobbies
Go.
here, the Moko Go. You promised that last year, though.
I'll
So-
promise again this year.
Okay, they promise
And you
again
can
this year.
trust me.
Okay, no worries. Thanks, guys.